Hello, Kylie here with the Funnel Flippers. We have a bunch of workflow updates. We're going to start with the workflow overview area. So if you come in here to automation, workflows, and overview, you're going to see we have a brand new tab that essentially allows us to see what's happening inside our workflows across the entire account. So you'll see we have a total of 121 workflows, 32 are published, 2.2K total enrollments. We can actually see a growth chart here as far as what's happening with our enrollments and workflows. And then you can also see your trigger analysis area. So you can see, all right, 33.8K total attempted enrollments, 26 actually matched contact information, and then 33.8K unmatched enrollments. I'll be honest, I'm not sure if that's correct. But what we can do here too is we can actually go through and kind of look at our different forms. We can filter by all kinds of different options here. So this lead magnet, 8 attempted, 0 matched. Interesting. We can look at our trigger type and say contact created. We can look at specific workflows. So let's look at this opt-in. So again, we can kind of see here, let's look at missed call tracking. 8 attempted, 2 matched, and then it's actually going to show you if there's any workflow errors. So you'll get a summary over here if you have any workflows with errors. So this overall just kind of allows you to see how your workflows are performing, what's going on behind the scenes, and then allows you to keep your basically finger on the pulse of what is happening as far as errors go, what's functioning, what's not, what's bringing in the most enrollments, and things like that. So overall, the workflow overview is going to be super helpful just to be able to ensure things are running smoothly and really allowing us to nail down how people are coming in and what are most reliable and there's a word I'm looking for and I can't find it. What our best performing workflows are. If you have questions, let us know.